Hello there, and welcome to another episode of Just Another Sports Card Collector. Today we have a box of Topps Chrome of the Major League Soccer collection, and without further ado, let's have a look at what's inside the box. So, what's inside the box? Basically, we have 4 cards per pack, 7 packs per box, and 28 total cards in general. The complete set is 200 base cards, and this box guarantees at least 5 exclusive prism parallels per box. So without further ado, let's attempt to open this bad boy and see what we have. Here we go, so we open up the box. Flat there, and inside we have what looks like 7 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one is 7. So we'll put them to one side. You get 4 trading cards per pack, and there we go. So without further ado, let's bash on with pack number 1. So here is pack number 1. So we start off with a Ethan Bartlow rookie card. Then we have a Steven Jimenez rookie card. Next we have a Christian Fletcher. Yep, so this one looks like a refractor card there. And the last card in this pack is a Benja Cremanci of Inter Miami. There we go. So that's pack number 1. Put the refractor one to one side there. Moving on to pack number 2. And pack number 2, we begin with a Cody Baker of Seattle. Next we have a Kerwin Vargas of Charlotte. Then we have a DeAndre Kerr of Toronto. Then we have a Memory Makers of Thiago Almada of Atlanta United, and that is pack number 2 done. Moving on to pack number 3. Pack number 3, we start off with a Sang-Bin Yong card. Then we have a Sebastian Giudice card. Then we have a N Ordaz rookie card. As you can see there, it's under as a Pitch Prodigies. And then the last card is Emil Forsberg, midfielder for Red Bulls. So that's pack number 3 done. Moving on to pack number 4. And we start off with a Joel Klaus card. Moving on to a what looks like a snowy looking David Martins rookie card for LA. Then we have a Cassius Malula of Toronto, and then the last card in the pack is Paul Arriola of FC Dallas. That pack was all base cards, no refractors or anything there. So pack number 4. Moving on to pack number 5. Rush out the way. Pack number 5, and we start off with a Jovan Mijatovic of New York City rookie card. Then we have our rookie card of Kevin Kelsey of FC Cincinnati. Then we have a numbered card, so this one's a refractor. Then we have a numbered card, orange to 25 of Preston Judd of the Kuwait. Now let's have a look at the back of the San Jose Earthquakes. There we go. And then the last card in this pack is a Demir Freelatch of the Whitecaps in Montreal. So that was pack number 5. That was a good pack. We got a orange card of number 8 of 25, and we got another refractor one there, which you can see when it hits the light compared to the base cards. Pack number 6. And we have, start off with a Robin Lod card there. Moving on to a flashbacks card of Steven Gerrard of LA Galaxy. Most people will know him from his Liverpool days. He's now playing his trade in Saudi Arabia. So a flashback card. Then we have, what looks very fancy, a Sounders card for Seattle of Pedro de la Vega. Let's have a look what it says in the back. There we go. So Pedro de la Vega, and then the last card is upside down, but is Home of the Brave John Tolkien card of the Red Bulls team. And moving on to the last pack, pack number 7. And we start off immediately with a flashback card of Frank Lampard of New York City, just like the Steve G one in the previous pack. It's a flashback card of Frank. Then we move on to a D Gomez rookie card, prodigy card there. Pitch prodigies, as you can see there, playing for Inter Miami. Then we have a red bordered J Hall prodigy card. It's basically a colour match of the jersey there. It's rookie card. And the last one we have is those coloured ones. The last one we have is a Diego Rubio of Seattle there, or Austin, sorry. So then we have mixture of base cards and the prism parallels, although these aren't base cards still. The Prodigy ones, Flashback, Home of the Brave, the Sounders, Flashback, this numbered card to 25 of Preston Judd, and a whole load of light refractors in there as well. So overall, quite a nice pack. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.